How to download and install PayPal. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the PayPal app on your device. Without further ado, let's learn how to download this amazing platform for online money transfer and receiving. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the search bar. Search for PayPal. Select the first search result for PayPal. Tap on the install button. The PayPal app will begin downloading and installing on your device. Note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed. Please be patient. Once the installation is completed, you can now use the PayPal app on your device. Simply tap on Open. Follow all the necessary setup instructions. Then log into your account if you have one or sign up for an account. Once done, you will be all set to make online money transactions and more with the help of the PayPal app. And boom, you have successfully learned how to download and install PayPal on your mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.